Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your B2B marketing with Marketo step by step clearly. Start by defining your target audience. Identify key segments within your market. Use Marketo's segmentation tools to create detailed personas. Next, establish clear marketing goals. Determine what you want to achieve, such as lead generation or brand awareness. Set measurable objectives to track your progress. Now, integrate Marketo with your existing CRM system. Ensure data flows seamlessly between the two platforms. This will help you maintain a single customer view. After integration, create engaging content tailored to your audience. Develop webinars, ebooks, and case studies that address their pain points. Utilize Marketo's content marketing tools to manage and track engagement. Following content creation, set up automated email campaigns. Personalize your emails based on the audience segments you defined. Use A/B testing to determine the most effective subject lines and content. Next, leverage Marketo's lead scoring capabilities. Assign scores to leads based on their engagement and fit with your ideal customer profile. Focus your efforts on leads that meet your highest scoring criteria. Use analytics to continuously monitor performance. Track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Adjust your strategies based on data insights to improve outcomes. Implement a robust nurturing strategy for leads. Create multi-step campaigns that guide leads through the buying process. Utilize Marketo's triggers to automate follow-up actions based on lead behavior. Finally, continually optimize your campaigns. Review results regularly and refine your approach. Consider experimenting with new tactics and channels to expand your reach. This will ensure your B2B marketing remains effective and adaptable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.